Hello, I'm going to answer the part 3. The advantages are that the students will have more money on hand to spend on their own things and they could get some experience also. The disadvantages are that the students won't have time enough to study their academic issues. They could be distracted about their studies, and finally they could leave the university because of they prefer money or because of lack of time. My own opinion is that people have to dedicate the appropriate and necessary time to learn and to become in good professionals. That's why it's important to start or to join to university when you are young and you don't have more obligations as family or job.